How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You join me once again on this beautiful day with my Scirocco R. Today, I've decided I'm getting rid of the rear wiper. I don't use the rear wiper anyway. It is pretty much irrelevant. I don't need to see what's behind me, let's be real. But yeah, let's try remove this and hopefully not break anything in the process. So yeah, let's go. So the reason I've decided to do this is because I need to replace this anyway, and I thought instead of replacing it, let's just get rid of it because I think they look really clean without wipers. Right, so this back bit should just pop up, and I'm hoping, oh, ow, fuck. It does, and now I need some tools to get the rest of this off. I'm very underprepared for this video. Editing, great. Power of editing, you gotta love it. But I couldn't find a spanner. I know there is one somewhere, but I'll be honest, I'm feeling a bit lazy, so we're just gonna go with this and try and get it off. It's actually coming off pretty easy, a lot easier than I thought it would. And then I should be able to just pull this off. Bear with me. Got some backup in the form of a screwdriver. Oh, where's it gone? There, in the form of a screwdriver, so hopefully I can get it behind, kind of pry it up a bit. Right, that is not coming off. I'm taking a step away because I need to reevaluate this, because this is just not coming off. Right, I'm not gonna lie, everyone on YouTube is a liar. They all made it look super easy and it is not. I have some WD-40, I'm just gonna spray a little bit in, hoping I can kind of loosen it up a little bit. God, that is on tight. I don't know how everyone made it look so easy in the videos, because let me tell you now, it is not easy. What the fuck? Right, let's give this another go. I put the GoPro on here, so you have a top-down angle as well. Not that it's gonna help me, but you never know. If I could. Fuck me, that's not coming off. I've got a spanner. Let's give this another go. So it should, in theory, just be able to pull up and get it off. What are these things made out of? Oh, I thought this was going to be so much easier. My patience has run out. We're getting this off. One way or another. Aha! Ow! I really should have seen that coming. Calm down for a second. Just try. Yeah, I don't know. It's off now. That's it. We're done. We're moving on to the next step. Now that the actual wiper blade is off, it's time to go in the inside and remove all the plastic so we can get to the rear wiper motor. Let's hope nothing breaks. You know what? You think by now I would have learned my lesson and watched videos on how to remove this stuff instead of just winging it. Maybe I am an idiot. This might come out, but I don't think it'll go back in. This is the bastard we're getting rid of. It looks scary, but I think we should be okay. Right, these clips, that's out. This one come out as well, I think. Aha! It's a clip, guys. Look at that, it's so easy. I do take the whole thing out, right? Right, this should just pull out. I'm a child. Oh, that was actually really easy. I thought it was gonna be way harder. What is this, like a ring? Will you marry me? Yes, I will. God, I need friends. So I've now got to clean this area. I only have Rain-X, which I thought might be a good idea because no more real wipe, but it cleans and also adds something. I don't have a microfiber cloth that I know of, so we're just gonna use a dusty rag. It'll be fine, I'm sure. Quickly gonna clean the inside as well, just to make sure. Oh, that was close to the camera. I'm using Kill Wipers. Ooh, look how cool that is. Oh, focus. The butt plug. So I think this side, where the protective film is actually glass. Is it gonna focus? Come on. Yeah, this is actually glass under here, I think. But I can kind of see it's quite thick. That tape is simply just to hold it in while I can check the fitment. I'd say it's looking pretty good. Push it up and then I'll have to tape it again. Oh shit, the tape's coming off. I really don't know what I'm doing. I don't even think that's fit properly. So wait, hold up. Pause, time out. I've been doing it wrong. I need to take this out, put sealant on it and then put it in. So basically sealant around here, which is what I didn't realise, and then you do it from the outside. So let me find some more tape that's bigger and I'll do that. I'm not gonna lie, the sealant is rock solid and doesn't come out. This is the current state of the sealant. I had to cut the tube in half to get it, and it's all solidified on the outside, so it's just like a mould of the cap. However, I managed to cut it open, and I know this isn't focusing, I'm sorry, but a little bit can come out from the side. So we're gonna try and do this and hope it works. If I was smart and took another second to think, I could have poured this back into the half tube and done it that way. I've put on so much. Oh god, I've definitely used too much. Right, and this just has to go in here. Like this. Oh, it's all spilling out the back. It's fine. It's fine, it'll be fine. My hand's now all covered in fucking sealant. Currently just applying pressure to it here. It is all around, and I'm going to see if I can just try and push some of it. Do you want? As long as it's not on the glass, I don't really care. Leave it for an hour, come back, check. I'm going to go wash my hands.
1 hour later.
Right, so it's been about 2 hours. I've kind of just left it in this state. 2 hours? It's been about an hour, even. I'm just going to peel. Oh, that is gunky. Look at all of that. Don't even know if I should have removed the tape. That's now on my fingers again. Put this back in first. I tried to get all the clips out, so I've put all the clips back in here. However, I did lose one on the left hand side, and I'm hoping it doesn't make too big a deal. Really hoping. Right guys, so what I've ended up doing is actually removing all the panels because I couldn't just get one back on because they're all interlinked. It's a fucking pain. So what I'm going to do for now is I'm going to leave it all off. I'm going to finish, ooh, that's still sticky, the butt plug thing. I don't know what it's called, it's like a butt plug thing. I'm going to finish that, just leave these in the boot for now, and I'm actually going to go order some stuff, probably some more clips to replace the ones that I broke, and some trim removal so I can get these other ones out. Quick update, I've just used the trim removal tool to get out all the pieces of trim that are around the boot, and I'm now going to try and fit the trim back in. I didn't record me taking it out because I forgot. Let me show you how to put the trim back in, just in case anyone ever needs to do it. And I'm hoping it should go okay. So I had a quick look and like tested the fitment kind of. It looks like I have to put this side in first, then the two side pieces, and then the top piece. That's how they kind of Jenga in, because they've all got clips under there to clip into, which I didn't realise before, which is why I was struggling. I did order some replacement clips, the ones I lost, and they aren't the same size. You can see that this one is bigger than the other two, kind of. I'm hoping it shouldn't really matter. But again, that's something we're going to find out very shortly. Just so you guys know, it's currently like 38 degrees. That's a lie, it's about 32. But don't know if you can see my top. We get a close up of this. I felt it was appropriate to wear this top today because it is oiling. Oh, hands free. It's in somewhere. It's not in somewhere. Oh, so shit. Cool, so I had to sort of bend the bottom bits of it to get it round the lip. And now you can see it's kind of in there already. So now everything should be lined up-ish. Big bang. Another one, ready? Big bangs. Ow. Just making sure that is in there nice and tight. And then I should again just push and they should click. Cool, that's done. Woo! And this is the finished result. Nice and clean. Sits really flush actually. I mean, you can see the slight distort, but there is literally nothing you can do about that. I'm really happy with it. Looks good up close, looks good from a distance. That was needed. Thank you very much for watching my video, guys. Please like, subscribe, comment, all that stuff. It greatly helps out. What do you think of the removal? Do you prefer it with or without? Yeah, let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.